What's up everybody, welcome again to our YouTube channel. In the past months, we have posted 2 videos that all about vac cleaners, and in the next video right after this one, we're still gonna be about robotic vac cleaners. I don't even know why we're being so enthusiastic about introducing vac cleaners, but yeah, in this video we're going to talk about something different. It's still about cleaning, but this time we'll focus on your oral hygiene. Speaking of which, our old friend Oclean has just released their new flagship sonic toothbrush, the Oclean X Pro Elite. So here in my hand is the whole package of the Oclean X Pro Elite. 1:1 size ratio of the product printing in the front, nothing else. Typical minimalism expression, love it. And classic pull-out opening design here. Still no frill. I like this mountain style. Alright, and opening it up. User's manual goes right here, and the toothbrush goes left. Okay. Let's have a look at the manual first. Written in 10 languages, smells good, and I don't think you would have any situation to use it. Everything is just so easy to understand, so let's throw it away a little bit. And here we got this magnetic charging base and a rubber bracket right here. That helps the toothbrush stand still like this. And of course, there's a magnetic wall hanger that helps to save space. Alright, let's get back to the toothbrush. With IPX7 waterproof, it weighs only 110 grams and colors in limestone gray. The size is just perfect to grip on. Also, the surface is designed with roughness that can prevent getting slipped off from your hands. The full body uses strip-line design with 1-inch touchscreen right in the middle, swappable brush head on top, and magnetic charging contact located at the bottom. So only by looking at the outlook of this Oclean X Pro Elite alone, it has already given me the sense of decent and technology. And we will go through some detailed specifications of this product to find out more reasons for why we're picking this sonic toothbrush. It is perhaps the most biggest upgrade compared to Oclean X Pro. Oclean applied its unique Whisper Clean 2.0 ultrasonic active mute technology onto its new flagship version. With operating noise at about 45 decibels or less, this is truly an inaudible ultrasonic device that is ever using on a toothbrush. Here we got a decibel tester, and we will have a test of its operating noise in real environment. Alright, what we can read from the decibel tester is about 45. And the normal environment noise in our daily lives is around 50 to 60 decibel, and 45 decibel is like the noise you can hear when you're at the suburb area in midnight. Literally, nothing you can hear when this one is walking, unless you put your ear right against its body, like this. Maglev brushless motor also contributes to its noiseless, but on top of that, this motor can run its speed at 42,000 rotations per minute, which provides superb cleaning power with a wider left-to-right swing range for that impeccable cleaning ability. We also made a comparison of the cleaning power between Oclean X Pro Elite and other sonic toothbrush brands like Philips and Oral-B, and it turns out that both the motor speed and swing range of Oclean are definitely among the best. Plus, the diamond structure of its bristle made by DuPont on the brush head has a relative higher density, and the texture here at the back can also help to remove the coating on your tongue. Oclean X Pro Elite had focused on providing better user experiences on its newly developed version of Oclean OS with a more convenient interactive design. By lifting up the toothbrush, the power on animation will show up automatically on the color touchscreen due to the gyroscope sensor built inside of it. Wait for 5 seconds or tap the screen to skip the power on animation so you can get into the homepage with current setups like brushing mode, stress level, and remaining battery showing on the screen. Scrolling up and down here, you can be able to set up your preferred settings like mode, intensity, and duration. Let's say I wanted to be working on the cleaning mode. Just press the mode button, find cleaning icon, and press the button again. There you go. There are 32 gears of intensity. You can also choose the stress level that suits you the most by scrolling up and down and confirm by pressing the button. As for the working duration, I'd like it to be 2 minutes and a half. Done. After you have finished your brushing, you can also look at your brushing performance right straight on this color screen. And of course, you can be able to see more details when connected to your smartphone. But as a toothbrush, you cannot expect more to that. The whole interaction system is just enough necessarily easy and smooth for you to operate on it. Whenever we're giving reviews on electronic devices, long battery is always the top one criteria that we're looking at. According to its official data, Oclean X Pro Elite can last for up to 40 days for every fully recharged under the assumption of using twice a day and 2 minutes each time. It also equips with the latest wireless charging technology that can give fully recharge for only 3 hours and a half. So don't you worry about the battery will become a hassle. Just like other sonic toothbrushes, X Pro Elite can also be able to connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. That allows you to personalize your own brushing plan and get your detailed brushing analysis reports. You can find over 20 preset brushing plans in the app made for different users and be able to easily apply them to use by simply click the syncing button. After being set all features and specs of this Oclean X Pro Elite, we're going to take a hands-on experience to give you guys a complete feedback of how to use this sonic toothbrush. Alright, once you have connected your toothbrush with your smartphone, you can be able to choose whatever brushing plans that are already designed for different users here. And you can also customize your own brushing plan that suits your own appetite like this, just by simply following the instructions as it shows. Step 1, about the duration. Let's say we want it to be 2 minutes and a half. And the mode, we choose the whitening mode, alright? And we want it to be under level 3 intensity. And we can also add another step for another 30 seconds of massaging. See? And by clicking up the saving button, it will be syncing all automatically. Right? Okay, now we need a little bit of the toothpaste to start the journey and make sure I have covered every part in my mouth. Well, after finishing the whole process, it's time for us to check the analysis report on my cell phone. All data will be automatically saved in here. It will also tell you which part you have missed cleaning by its blind area monitoring system, because we have 6 axis gyroscope sensor built in its body. By censoring the way you move your wrist to calculate which part you have missed when you're brushing your teeth. Well, another thing is that not like Oral-B or other brands that will give you a reminder if you just put too much pressure on your teeth when you're brushing. Oclean X Pro Elite wouldn't give you a reminder, but instead it will lower its vibrating frequency automatically when it feels like you're brushing your teeth too much. So instead of give you a reminder to let you know you might hurt yourself, this one will go straight to help you stop it. So after each time you finish brushing your teeth, you can wash it directly with fluid water and hand it back onto the wall. That easy. To top up the battery, just simply put this one onto the charger base that it gives to you. You see, now it is charging. And one more interesting thing that we found is that not only using this one that Oclean has given to you after you have this one in your home, but any other wireless charger can be used to charge for our Oclean X Pro Elite. You see, like this. And for the same reason, you can also be able to top up your phone battery by putting it onto the charger that Oclean has given to you. As for the brand Oclean and Oclean X Pro, you are more than welcome to refer to the reviews that we made in our previous videos, and you will find out that Oclean is always trying to make their products become the world's smartest electric toothbrush from their innovation and design language. And this time, the X Pro Elite seems to make this into a solid choice. It has achieved significant breakthroughs in both technology and design in combination with a powerful brushless motor and whisper clean tech, along with its signature touchscreen interface. It feels like Oclean is trying to educate their users with a brand new sonic toothbrush picking criteria. So this is pretty much everything we need to go through about this Oclean X Pro Elite. Let us know what you're thinking about this product under the comment section. We have already put purchase link down below if you want to get one for use. I'll see you guys in next video. Peace.